नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और ये इस YouTube चैनल के माध्यम से आपको मिलती हैं शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशंस, फ्रेजेस और आउटलाइंस। आज हम जो डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं उसकी स्पीड रहेगी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट, और इसी मैटर पर दूसरी डिक्टेशन मिलेगी जो कि 100 वर्ड पर मिनट होगी। वो आपको मिलेगी हमारे इसके जस्ट आफ्टर जो हमारा वीडियो होगा उसमें। और साथ ही साथ अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो उसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और जो नए लोग विजिट कर रहे हैं वो भी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, क्योंकि इसी चैनल पर हम वीडियो भेजते हैं, लेकिन मैटर जो है हम फेसबुक के हमारे जो ग्रुप है उसमें भेजते हैं। वो ग्रुप का लिंक भी आपको हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और दोस्तों, बेल आइकन को जरूर हिट करना है, क्योंकि नोटिफिकेशन उसी से आपके पास जाएगी। और हम अब डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। 5 सेकंड बाद डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। 5 seconds. The consent decree dated 2nd August 1991, pursuant to which the deed of conveyance was executed on 3rd August 1991, and stamp duty of rupees 1,85,000 was paid, that came to be challenged in this court by MS New Red Bank Tea Company Private Limited, who undisputedly was not party to the proceedings, which was instituted at the instance of the appellant, within bracket suit number 240 of 1990. Para. After the parties being heard, this court allowed the civil appeal under its order dated 9th September 1991, and set aside the consent decree dated 2nd August 1991 on the premise that suit number 240 of 1990 and suit number 8 of 1984 ought to have been tried together, and the suit for specific performance could not have been decreed by consent without determining the legal title and factum of possession of the suit property. The title and possession could not have been decided without impleading the respondent, MS the New Red Bank Tea Company Private Limited, as a defendant to the suit, by setting aside the consent decree dated 2nd August 1991. In the consequence, the deed of conveyance dated 3rd August 1991 also came to be cancelled, and after the order of this court in civil appeal number 3569 of 1991 dated 9th September 1991 reveals that MS the New Red Bank Tea Company Private Limited has been impleaded as a defendant in suit number 240 of 1990 filed at the instance of the appellant, and under the directions of this court both the suits are clubbed and to be heard together on merits. Para. In the peculiar facts and circumstances where the parties to the proceedings originally in suit number 240 of 1990 filed at the instance of the appellant have consented to obtain a consent decree of specific performance dated 2nd August 1991, pursuant to which deed of conveyance was executed on 3rd August 1991, and full stamp duty of rupees 1,85,000 was paid by the appellant, and no objection was raised by the respondent at any stage in reference to the agreement to sale dated 15th January 1990 in the suit for specific performance and the decree dated 2nd August 1991, although it has been set aside by this court at the instance of the third party to the proceedings, namely MS the New Red Bank Tea Company Private Limited. And once the finding has been affirmed that the appellant is entitled for refund of rupees 1,85,000 towards stamp duty which was paid on the deed of conveyance, the appellant, who has always shown his bona fides in a transfer of full consideration, after which deed of conveyance was executed and stamp duty of rupees 1,85,000 was paid, which he is undisputedly entitled for refund. It is not open for the respondents to question, as they always remained consented to the decree passed by the court dated 2nd August 1991, which although came to be set aside at the instance of the third party, namely MS the New Red Bank Tea Company Private Limited. Full stop. Thank you.